Standard 8 Maharashtra State Board Civics Chapter 1 Introduction to Parliamentary System. In this chapter, we'll come across the machineries and the system of government given in the Indian Constitution. First of all, we'll come across democracy. Democracy means it's a type of government that is power of the people. It is a Greek term. Demos means people, kratos means power of the people. Democracy are of two types, direct democracy and indirect democracy. Almost all countries in the world have adopted and accepted the indirect form of democracy. Indirect form of democracy is again subdivided into presidential form and parliamentary form. What is a parliamentary system of government? In a parliamentary system of government, the representatives are directly elected by the citizens. The real executive is a prime minister and also the head of the council of ministers. In India, we have a prime minister, but why there is no prime minister in United States of America? The reason behind is India has accepted a parliamentary system of government where the president is a constitutional head, whereas the real executive is a prime minister, wherein USA has adopted and accepted the presidential system of government. President is the constitutional head as well as the executive head. That is the reason there is no prime minister in United States of America. What is the difference between the parliamentary system and the presidential system of government? The entire chapter is based on the explanation of this term. Before that, we'll come across the three organs of the parliamentary system of government. They are the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The functions of the three organs are: the legislature makes laws and amends the laws, the executive implements laws framed by the legislature, the judiciary gives justice. The functions of these organs, their jurisdiction, and limitations on their power and the interrelationship are all decided by the government. It is based on these interrelationship a country decides its system of government. There are two types of government system that are followed, that is a parliamentary system and the presidential system. Parliamentary, first of all, will deal with the parliamentary system of government. The parliamentary system of government developed primarily in England. The English constitution is said to have an unwritten one, but it is not strictly correct. It is largely written, but in different documents. It has never been codified, brought together in a single document. That is the reason it is called as an unwritten constitution. The governance is carried out in accordance with the tradition, customs, and conventions. The root of the parliamentary system of the government has evolved from England. England has contributed the parliamentary system of government to almost all countries in the world. We can see some broad similarities of the parliamentary system of England and the parliamentary system of India, because the parliamentary system of government is a more systematic type of government. But when looked at an institutional level, Indian parliamentary system is different in its content. Now, we'll deal about the characteristics of the Indian parliamentary system of government in the next video. Thank you.